All right, here we go. We just got off the bus and we're heading to Blizzard to do another Blizzard tour. This is my third time here, but a lot of people here in the group have never been here before. You've never been here before, right? No. First time? Oh, there it is. Blizzard Entertainment. I'm looking forward to seeing the secret room, the secret control room. Hopefully, oh no, last time I came here they didn't let me film that. But hopefully this year they'll let us film a little bit more.
I'm excited.
You're excited? This is your first time?
It's my first time, man.
Oh!
Never been inside. I've never been in the building.
Wow, dude.
I didn't even know this was what it looked
Dude, they got
like.
the most amazing statues. We got to take a pictures and stuff with them. Yeah, hopefully they'll show us some super secret stuff. Everybody that's in this group are mostly PvEers, and we're like the only two PvP.
Two of us.
Two of us. Me and Suffatis.
Surrounded by raiders.
Raiders.
They're gonna convert us.
I actually said we actually saw a video at the summit. And it showed some of the PvE content, and I was like, damn, that looks like a lot of fun. I think I might actually do some raiding in Legion.
I think I am going to too.
You going to?
And with the new gearing system,
yeah,
you can still go back into PvP because all that gear will work.
It's true.
So if you want to spend 10 hours a day raiding, and then you're like, okay, I'm done raiding for the week, I can just jump into a BG, no problem. So it's the best expansion, I think, if you want to try and experiment with other parts of the game.
I think the gear would be good. The PvE gear would be good for. I mean, the PvE gear would be good for duels. I think. Dude, look at the size of that axe. That's the new. That's new.
Do you think you could pick it up?
We're gonna be signing some NDAs, and then once we're done with that, we're gonna start the tour. Right at the entrance, they have a lot of really cool things. This is one of the statues. I remember seeing this at the BlizzCon. It's really awesome. And over there is the big statue. This is usually the statue we take pictures with. We'll probably head out there and take pictures with it as soon as we're done doing the NDAs. And then we're gonna go through the museum.
Of course, there are many awards that just can't fit here.
Like,
I always say everyone with a video games blog likes to give out awards every year, and you just can't put them all on the shelves. They're just too many. So you're seeing examples of the Diablo, StarCraft, Warcraft, and general Blizzard sets, and the different card looks are all on display here. Of course, I am ready for the Overwatch poker set myself.
oh yes.
I'm not exactly sure what it's going to look like, but
That one is cool.
yeah.
That
Here as soon as we can make
the Tyrael. There we go, dude. It was awesome. Just got to see some of the museum. Now we're gonna go. Now we get to. Ooh, look at this! Oh my god, that looks cool. All right, so we did the little museum here, and now we're gonna. Oh, actually, we're gonna go out to take a picture with the statue, right? All right, statue time. That was, when I saw that for the first time, I was like, oh, no way. I remember, what BlizzCon was that? I think this statue actually weighs about 1 meter, no, I think it weighs 1,000 pounds or 800 pounds. Yeah, the whole statue, I think it weighs
700 pounds.
Oh, 700 pounds? Yeah. Oh, it says it right there.
Close.
Tell me that doesn't look amazing. That is incredible. There have been people that have tried to make a cosplay. They replicate it, but it's not exact like that. That's incredible. Like you would win any Halloween contest ever, and any cosplay event. Oh yeah, I mean, you would win them all. This is the library. Dude, they have the whole collection of Dungeons and Dragons in here, man.
Do they?
Yes.
Those are expensive.
And a bunch of anime.
Yeah, we had nice cigars.
Wonder if the first edition of Superman versus. Or the one where Superman dies. Oh, they got the lich. They got this. Dude, I almost bought this sword at the MegaCon for 200. Well, the replica of this one for 250. It sold out before we could buy it. With this sword.
Did it include the ice shard?
No, not the ice shard. It was just the sword. It was a really good replica though. Dungeons and Dragons. I used to play D&D. Wow. I wonder if they have. Oh my God! They got the super old ones. The classics. Oh man, dude. Monster Manual. No. The classics.
It's the actual Monsters Manual?
Yes.
Oh my God.
This is worth $1 million. You can't get this. I wonder how many versions of D&D. This is the first edition. I used to play the first edition. I think they're on the third or fourth right now. This is the Dungeon Master Guide. Guys, this is for before PC gaming, there was D&D.
Nobody does that anymore.
There's a Warcraft board game?
They do have that.
Can we play with it? We should pull it out. Can we? I wonder if they have Axis and Allies.
I think we do somewhere, but it might not
Axis
be
and
out.
Allies. That
Pretty
is.
sure we do.
I wasn't really into that game. That's true. We could take a vial of sand from the Blizzard headquarters volleyball set. That looks awesome.
We do have a habit of releasing or pushing out new statues every year. There's been at least one new statue at BlizzCon for, as far as I know, every BlizzCon. Nova and Illidan here are getting kind of long in the tooth, but it's very exciting to think that right now in some workshop someone's making a statue of Junkrat. I have no idea. I have no idea. Like, we all get to, there's someone who knows, but we're all gonna get a nice surprise when we get to see whatever it is later in the year.
All right, that's it for the trip. Just finished all the interviews, talking with the developers, meeting up with some of the other streamers, chilling, hanging out. And I think we have one dinner left, which is tonight at 7:30. I thought I'd show you guys my hotel room. This is Blizzard actually paid for it, man. Blizzard brought me over here and brought a lot of content creators, and we're all staying in this hotel. So let me show you. This room is nice. Check out the bed. Oh, by the way, this is something that Blizzard gave us. They gave us this. They gave all the content creators. They gave this to all the content creators. Ah, a plush. We have Emerald Whelpling. Emerald Whelpling. What do you have to do to have a chance to win this? Leave a comment, because we're going to choose a winner from the comments. Oh wow, it's a book. Bonds of Brotherhood. Oh wow. Oh, it's a comic book. Nice. It's a hardback comic book. It's a good carry-on bag. Uh-oh. And let's see what this is. Ooh, it's heavy. What is this? Oh my God! This is a big mouse mat. Wow, dude. That is a ginormous mouse mat. Wow. You know what I could do? Oh my God. I should have gotten all the content creators to sign it. You know what? I can actually do that tonight. I'll tell you what, guys. I'll get all the content creators to sign this mat, as many as I can find, and I gotta find a marker, and then we'll do some kind of a giveaway. All right. Probably the best shaver I've ever had. I never have to buy a razor again. This is the balm. Dude, I'm a 800 plus skill ironer. When I went up to Hadid's room, we had to actually go to one of the events, and we were rushing, and he was trying to iron his shirt. I was like, let me do that, dude. So he was getting ready while I ironed his shirt. He was impressed. He was like, oh, dude, I didn't know, dude, that's amazing. You can iron awesome. That's because I used to have a 9-to-5 job where I had to wear a tie and a nice iron shirt every day for a couple years, and I became a master at ironing. I can take a shirt and just like the perfect amount of comes out crisp. All right, and then in the hotel, you can also get one of these robes. So once you're done coming out in the shower, you can come out with this thing. Oh, big mirror. It's pretty awesome. Got my gaming laptop here, just in case. And the internet's like about 5 megabyte uploads. I don't know if it's gonna be enough. I might live stream tonight. But first of all, let me go take this downstairs and see if I can get a lot of people to sign it, and then it'll be awesome. All right, guys, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the adventure. You know what? Let me film some more. I'll film the dinner party tonight. It's at 7:30, I think. So I'll bring the camera down, and we'll continue filming.